Hello students, welcome back to second PUC online classes. In this class, we are going to study the very next chapter of application of integrals, that is differential equations. So, differential equations is nothing but the application part of derivatives and integrals. So, this is the application part to the derivatives as well as integrals. Right, in this section we are going to study about the definition of differential equations and order and degree of the differential equations. So, what is the definition firstly? So, before going for that definition, we must know the concept of derivatives, right? In the previous classes, you had learnt about the trigonometric equations, algebraic equations and also polynomials, right? So, the very familiar function or one explicit function, that is y is equals to f of x. So, this is one function. Y is equals to f of x is one function where x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. What? X is independent and y is dependent. Why? Because why we say x is independent and y is independent? Because whenever we take one function, we are going to give the values for x, right? We are going to give the values for x, then automatically we get the values of y, right? So, here y is dependent on x. Why? Because after giving the x values we get the y value. So, that we call it as, or we say x is independent and y is dependent variable. And here why we are discussing this one? Because we want the derivatives, that is in the differential equation, the equation is involving the derivatives. Suppose if we want to write the derivative for this function y is equals to f of x, we are going to write the derivative for this function. Then how we can write? Dy by dx is equals to f dash of x, right? This is the first derivative. How we read? Dy by dx is equals to f dash of x, that is differentiation of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. What? Here y is dependent variable and x is independent variable, and we say that differentiation of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is f dash of x, or we can also write it as y dash. So, we are not going to use this symbol or this function f dash of x, we can write it as y dash, right? That is first derivative of the given function y is equals to f of x. And then if we want the second derivative, then how we can write? D by dx of dy by dx is equals to y double dash, or we can also write it as d square y by dx square is equals to y double dash, right? That is double differentiation or double derivative of the given function y is equals to f of x, that is d square y by dx square is equals to y double dash. So, the continuation of differentiation or continuity in the derivatives, we call it as a successive differentiation, right? And then, so here we are going to use, or we are going to study the derivatives in the definition of the differential equation. So, the next thing is definition of differential equation. Let us see what is the definition. An equation involving first independent variable and dependent variable and also derivatives of dependent variable. So, what is the definition of differential equation? An equation involving independent variable, dependent variable and also the derivatives of dependent variable. So suppose if we consider one example, see here, d cube y by dx cube plus sin x is equals to e raised to 1, right? Some equation I am going to consider, and in that what we consider, sin x is there. So x is the independent variable and also y is there, y is dependent variable. And what is the third condition? It must have the derivative of dependent variable. What is the derivative of dependent? Dependent variable is y here, and we must have the derivative for y. Derivative for y means dy by dx, right? So dy by dx, and here we have d cube y by dx cube, that is third derivative of y. So this is what we call it as a differential equation. So what is differential equation? It is an equation which involves independent variable, dependent variable and as well as the derivatives of dependent variable, right? So next thing, in general, an equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is also called as differential equation. In general, I am going to give the definition for differential equation. What is that? An equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called as differential equations. So shortly, the differential equation can be written as DE, right? And also, or a differential equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. So one independent variable. Carefully observe here. So what is differential equation? An equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable. Derivative of dependent variable means dy by dx with respect to only one independent variable. What is our independent variable? It is x, and independent variables must be only one. That is, we should not go for more than one independent variable. That is what we call it as a ordinary differential equation. So this is the definition for ordinary differential equation. See here, suppose if we have a differential equation involving derivative of dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable. So here I am using more than one independent variable. Then we say that equation as partial differential equation. If suppose only one independent variable, then we say it as a ordinary differential equation. If suppose more than one independent variables are there in the equation, then we say that equation as a partial differential equation. So in this section you are going to use only differential equations for ordinary differential equation. That means containing only one dependent variable and only one independent variable. For example, 2 into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square is equals to 1. So this is our ordinary differential equation. Why? Because only containing one x as a independent variable and y as a dependent variable. No more variables are there, either they may be dependent or independent. So only one dependent and only one independent variable are there. So this equation is called as an ordinary differential equation, right? Next thing is that definition for order of the differential equation. So it is the order of the highest ordered derivative of the dependent with respect to dependent variable with respect to independent variable involved in the given differential equation. So what is the order of the differential equation? It is the order of highest derivative. Whatever the highest derivative is there in the given differential equation, That is what the order of the differential equation. So here, if suppose we consider one example, dy by dx is equals to e raised to x. For example, dy by dx is equals to e raised to x, and here the derivative is dy by dx, and what is the highest power of that derivative? It is 1. So 1 is the order of the given differential equation. Therefore, order is what? It is 1. Right? Then, suppose if I consider another example, d square y by dx square. So here I will write here d square y by dx square plus y is equals to 0. So what is the order here? Order must be taken the highest power of the derivative. What is the derivative here? It is dy by dx, and the power for that derivative is 2. So therefore, the order of the given differential equation is what? 2 itself, right? Suppose if I consider another example, d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square is equals to e raised to x, right? So here, what is the order? Order must be taken from the derivative, and what is the derivative? dy by dx is the derivative here. So two derivatives are there. One is d cube y by dx cube, and another one is d square y by dx square. And what is the highest power of the derivative? So here the power of the derivative is 3, and here the power of the derivative is 2. So therefore 3 is the highest power. Therefore order of the given differential equation is what? 3. Right? Is it understood? Right. So the next thing is that degree of the differential equation. So what is the degree? It is the highest power of the highest derivative. So previously we had written the definition for order. So what is order? We should write the highest derivative, and here in the degree we should write, or it is the highest power of the highest derivative. Whatever we had written the highest derivative, and we must observe the power of that derivative. That means the power of highest ordered derivative is the degree of the differential equation. And while writing the degree of the differential equation, we must observe that the equation must be of the polynomial derivatives. So polynomial derivative means that the derivatives or the equation must contains y dash, y double dash and y triple dash and so on derivatives. So this type of equations, or the equation containing these derivatives y dash, y double dash and y triple dash, then only we can write the degree of the differential equation. For example, suppose if we have d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square whole square plus dy by dx is equals to 1. For example, if we have this equation and we want to write the degree of the differential equation, so this is the polynomial differential equation. So it is a polynomial equation, right? Why? Because d cube y by dx cube means we can write it as y triple dash, right? And then d square y by dx square means it can be written as y double dash, and plus dy by dx is equals to 1. So this is the given equation, and we want to write the degree of the differential equation. So what is the degree? What is the definition for degree of the equation? It is the highest power of the highest derivative. So here consider, or suppose, what is the highest derivative here? See here, highest derivative, how many times the derivative is taken for the dependent variable y? Firstly, d cube y by dx cube. So it is third order derivative. And here d square y by dx square, it is second order derivative. and dy by dx is first order derivative. So the highest order derivative is d cube y by dx cube. And what is our condition? To observe that the power of highest order derivative. So see here, what is the power of highest order derivative? 1, right? Then the degree of the differential equation is what? 1, right? So here the degree means it is the highest power of the highest ordered derivative, or simply it is the power of highest derivative, right? So the degree for this type of equations, for example, dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx minus sine square y is equals to 0. So for this type of examples we can't define the degree of the equations. Why? Because first equation is not a polynomial in y, so therefore it is not defined. And the second equation dy by dx plus sine dy by dx is equals to 0. So this is not a polynomial in y dash, therefore we can't define the degree of the differential equation. Therefore we can write the degree of the differential equation is not defined. Thank you.